What's up, y'all? Clean Cut's the one, back with another video, reporting live from Clean Cut Grooming Lounge, and I did it. Today was the day. You guys might have heard about this a little bit. Everybody's been real hyped about these, the Andis cordless T-out liners. Good trimmer. Been enjoying them for the last 2 days, but all day today, I used the retro T-cut. It was just released by Wahl, and definitely got some things to tell you about them. After working with this trimmer today, man, I was very impressed, right? The thing is how loud it is. I showed you yesterday in the Andis video how loud this trimmer was. Let me let you guys hear it again. That's all the noise. That's probably the loudest trimmer I've ever heard. I can't think of ever hearing a trimmer louder than this one. But when I was thinking about it, this being such a loud trimmer, it made me think, well, there's probably a lot of power behind it. I've already been familiar with the T-wide blade that comes on the detailer, so I know that this is a good blade, right, when it's set. So I used this thing all day today, and I've got to tell you, man, I was very impressed with this trimmer. It's hard not to compare, because I don't want to compare. Look, what I want to tell you is that this is a fantastic trimmer, man. The ergonomics are different. It's a little weird. I'm used to cutting with the FX 673s, and when you look at these, right, you got the handle, you got the switch here and the switch here. So I got used to the switch being here, so I can flow with this all day. Like when I'm cutting, I just click it up, click it down, click it up, click it down, no problem. I'm used to that. This one's in reverse. You click down to come on and up, so you got to learn a new system. It's a little long, it's a little bulky, kinda, but does this thing line? Let me let you see. All right, so you saw it, right? This has to be a quick review. This is a rotary motor clipper, just like the Andis cordless T-out liners, just like most of the, they don't have magnetic motors in these types of trimmers. This is a hitter. I didn't get to do a design with this. That's what I really want to do, is a design with this. The reason why I don't like doing designs with the detailers, the blade is so good, but that cord is so short and it's stiff. This is like a detailer with no cord. I'm copping one of these immediately. Shout out to Alex Wade. Follow him on Instagram, Alex Chappell, one of my favorite barbers in the shop. I'm just kidding, they're all my favorite. But I'm copping one of these ASAP. This can be a daily driver. This competes with this. Which one? This might be a very hard decision for me to make moving forward. I'm definitely going to be using these a lot more. I'm ordering my own pair. Probably just going to use Alex's till he gets back. I'm just kidding. He's coming back on Tuesday. But I was very impressed with this trimmer. For the price, what it does, and the power, This thing didn't go dead on me all day. Now, I did throw it on the charger a couple times in between cuts, but I think I did like 18 services today, and it did not go dead. It stayed strong. This is a hitter, y'all, so don't sleep on this retro T-cut. I don't have the box. I don't know what Alex did with it. If you got some information or some questions, if you guys want to have the conversation in the bottom, but yo, let it be said here, this retro T-cut is a monster. So definitely need to pick you up one of these. I'm going to put the link in the description where you can pick it up off Amazon. And just a quick review for y'all. Got a lot of stuff coming up. I'm really tired. I had a long day today. It's Saturday. I'm getting up at 6 in the morning to leave. Headed to Macon, Georgia. Spent some time with the Stephen Putman. If you've been watching Bossio's vlogs, you've seen some live streams. You saw him at Bronner Brothers. Man, Bossio and Putman and that whole panel, they took over Bronner. That's the only thing that you're going to hear about that was good at Bronner. Well, I shouldn't say the only thing you're going to hear about that was good at Bronner. But when you talk about what was good at Bronner, you're going to hear about that class. And so I'm going to go down. I'm going to hang out with Steve for a little bit. I'm going to talk to Jason. I'm taking my newest addition to Clean Cut Grooming Lounge, Matt Parton. Follow him on Instagram at Don't Follow This Guy. I'm going to put it right here in case you're looking for it. Go ahead and like the channel and subscribe. I'm just getting started. Y'all know if y'all noticed, dropped 2 videos yesterday, 1 today. I don't do it for the likes. I can feel that thing burning again. It's burning. My passion is up. It's up. I've spent a lot of time putting roots in this shop. It's successful. I've got some other things that I want to do, and I'm going to do them. So follow the journey. I'm not done. Big things coming up. Till next time, peace.